Hello guys. So here as you can see, I made a F-35 from a tutorial from Features Thing 22. So I'm trying to make some remote control missiles, and while they do work, like I can't really control the plane. Like I got a pilot seat and tried to bind everything. I also got this thing to remote control, but every time I tried to fly it, it just goes in a straight line. I'll show you guys. So say I bind it to the policy and try to move. It doesn't work. So here, boom, I can't turn. I'm pressing A and D, but it's not working. But I can make this thing work perfectly. Like I can control my missiles perfectly, but I can't control my plane. Yeah. So if anyone can help me fix this and make my plane also controllable while also with my remote control missiles, please add me and help me fix this issue. Please, anyone that can fix it, please. Thank you.